Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you guys on a little house tour since I have decorated for fall. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I would love for you guys to subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump right into this tour. Okay, so the first place that I'm going to start is our front porch. It is a little bit decorated, but I want you guys to know that it is so stinking hot here. Tomorrow's high is 95, today is 88, but it's still in the 90s here, so it doesn't feel like fall at all. But everybody else on YouTube is doing their fall videos, so it definitely made me want to go ahead and decorate. So I hope that you do enjoy this video. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you our porch and just kind of show you what we did here. Okay, so these little pumpkins are pumpkins that we put out every year. The Darley's pumpkin and the Boo pumpkin. And then we painted, my kids absolutely love The Nightmare Before Christmas, so we painted that one last year. And then Gracie June's little footprint cat that she did last year. And I do love the look of like all the big huge pumpkins on the porch and everything. So maybe next year we'll be able to do that, but I didn't want to spend too much money. And over here, I couldn't find my chalk, so I didn't change this, but this was actually from my nephew's birthday. It says, "We welcome, so glad you came," and I will change that if I can go get some more chalk. But this little lantern, I just put, let me see if I can get in closer. I just put some little pumpkins in there with our seashells that we got from the beach. And that I got from Hobby Lobby. And over here, I just put out some plaid pillows that we got last year, and then a little throw blanket on our swing. And then I just kept our wreath from where we decorated for the summer. I didn't change that. And I thought about adding some little pumpkins on there with the little clips, but I haven't been able to find any, so if you know where they are, let me know, so I can do that. All right, now we have come inside and we're gonna go ahead and start in the foyer and just kind of make our way around the house. Also, I did wanna let you guys know that I'm going to try to link anything and everything that I can find down in my description box. I do have a lot of stuff for my house in my Amazon store, but I'm gonna leave links to everything else that I can find for you in case you're interested, and I hope that will be helpful for you. Okay, so starting in our entryway, I got these little flowers from Dollar Tree and just stuck them in our Hobby Lobby bucket. And I got these two things are both from Hobby Lobby from last year, a little driftwood, and then I actually have a candle that probably needs to be thrown away, but it's a little pumpkin candle. And then down here, I got the little stems from Hobby Lobby, and the pumpkin that says "I am thankful for" is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna actually have the kids tell me something to write on there or let them write it themselves. And then just our wedding album. All right, now we're gonna head into the dining room. Okay, so starting with the table, I just have this table runner from Hobby Lobby that I got last year. And then this little dish, I just threw in some pumpkins and gourds, just a little set that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. And we also have some little deer antlers and cotton. Okay, and on the hutch, I just changed things up a little bit. I have this little jar from Walmart. This little pumpkin is from Target Dollar Spot. These are both from Target. This little pumpkin is probably from Walmart from last year. This tray is from Hobby Lobby, and they do have it this year as well. Hobby Lobby. I got the 2-tiered stand from Hobby Lobby last year, and just threw in some pumpkins, a little fall candle, and some greenery, and then also some deer antlers. And then this little dish is actually from our wedding. People engraved their names on there. I don't know if you can see, but on the inside, people wrote their names, and we like to keep it out. And then the little pumpkins are either from Hobby Lobby or Target. And the dishes I actually got from Dollar Tree, and I just used permanent marker to put the words on. The gather sign is from the Dollar Tree, and then that little chalkboard sign, I'm going to put something fall on there when I can get my chalk. All right, now we're gonna go into the office, and I didn't really decorate in here, but as you can see, I still need to organize. We still have some stuff to put on the walls in here. But this is kind of what it looks like right now. And then over here, I have our little chest. And I just moved a few things in here just to put from the other rooms for right now. So now we're moving on to the living room, and a lot of you are gonna probably give me hate about this, but this is our new elk that Chance actually hunted in New Mexico about 4 years ago. So we finally put him up. And then I did, these pillows right here are from Hobby Lobby. They've been on my couch for a while, but the insert used to be feather, and I traded those out because I cannot stand the feather pillows, and I just put in some regular 18-inch pillows. And then I did put in our north, south, east, west. I did get this little throw blanket from TJ Maxx, and I loved the colors in it. All right, and then I completely redid all of our bookshelves. And then I was going to decorate the kids' playroom upstairs, but I didn't end up doing that because I didn't want them to pull a bunch of stuff down and mess it up. Okay, so starting with this bookshelf, I've gotten most everything on this shelf from Hobby Lobby. So anything that wasn't Hobby Lobby, let's see, this was from the Target Dollar Spot. And then this little basket was from Walmart, but the pumpkins and everything in there were from Hobby Lobby. Moving up, I think everything on this shelf was from Hobby Lobby, and those are the kids' pictures from 2 years ago, but I love this one because Gracie June's holding a little pumpkin in it, and her dress was so cute. She had a little owl dress. And then that's some driftwood from the beach. And then all of that stuff is from Hobby Lobby as well. On the fireplace, we have a little pumpkin from Hobby Lobby, my basket from Hobby Lobby, And then I got this little garland from the Target dollar spot. The kids were obsessed with it. And then each of these were from the Target dollar spot. Kason painted the Frankenstein. And Gracie June painted the skeleton. Then moving on to this shelf, we painted this sign a few years ago. I had the kids actually paint this for me. I put some vinyl on as a stencil and they painted it. And then this little pedestal is from Boxwood and Binky's on Instagram. She's amazing and does them in all different colors, so definitely go check her out. A bunch of little pumpkins. I think all of those were from the Target dollar spot, except for this one's from Hobby Lobby. This was from TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, and then Chance and I got this as a wedding gift. All of our frames pretty much come from Hobby Lobby. All of this was from Hobby Lobby. Some more driftwood. The little flowers up there, I think those were from Hobby Lobby last year. The sign we made and Hobby Lobby. Coming in here is our guest bathroom. Okay, so the only thing that's different in here is I added the pumpkin scent hand soap from Mrs. Meyer's, and then a little pumpkin spice candle. This is the Mainstays brand at Walmart, so they're cheap, but they are so nice. I love them. And then this little towel, hand towel, came from TJ Maxx, and the kids love this one because of the skeletons and little jack-o'-lanterns. So I put one up in their bedroom or bathroom as well. Now we're going to move into the kitchen, and I've got my new fall scented stuff from Grove Collaborative, the Mrs. Meyer's, and this is the apple cider scent. And then I ended up moving my knives over here since all that stuff was black. And then I had a clear cake stand, which is this little piece right here, and I just chalk painted it white because I thought it would look better. And then I got these napkins, or kitchen towels, are from TJ Maxx. And then the little pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby and the Target dollar spot. Then moving over here, I got the little recipe book holder from Hobby Lobby. And then this is from TJ Maxx, and it's white pumpkin. And then this little napkin holder is also from TJ Maxx. Over here, I got the little spoon holder to match the napkin holder. And then there's the other pumpkin kitchen towel. Another thing that I don't think you guys saw in my last home tour is this mail organizer, and I got that off of Amazon, and I'll try to find it so I can link it in my store. Now we're going to move on to the breakfast area, and I got all of this stuff from Hobby Lobby. The cutting board, or the cheese board, is actually from Target, the Hearth and Hand. And this centerpiece actually used to be on our dining room table, and I just put it in here. All right, now we will move on to the master bedroom. Alright, so not much has changed in here, so I'm just going to kind of give you a quick little snapshot of the room. you come in here, this is our master bathroom, and not much has changed in here either. I don't really decorate in our bathroom or our bedroom. All right, and now we will head upstairs. So not much has changed in here. I still need to get a new curtain for the kids' bath. I've been looking at Target, TJ Maxx, haven't been able to find anything. So y'all let me know where I can find something. And then this is a sign we made a few years ago. I did get this little hand towel. It matches the one downstairs that I showed you, and that one's from TJ Maxx. All right, and then if you come out of the bathroom and go this way, here's our balcony. So you can kind of see that. I don't know if you guys have seen this view before, but this is, oh, there's a Nerf bullet. You gotta get it down. That's kind of the view from upstairs. And then we go into Gracie June's room. So nothing has really changed in Gracie June, Kaysen's, or the playroom. So I'm just going to finish out this video by showing you guys their rooms, just in case you missed my last home tour. That way you can just kind of see what their rooms look like. Now I'm going to take you back down the hall and into Kaysen's bedroom. So that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.